My people, how una dey? Welcome to another tech episode where I go take explain basic IT things for you in pidgin. Today, we go talk about something where everybody they use, but plenty people no sabi the real importance na password. Wetin be password and how you fit protect your information? Make I break them down for you. For simple terms, password na secret code where only you suppose know, where you go enter into your phone, your computer, or any account online. It dey work like key where you take open door. Without that key, nobody fit enter your house. Na so password be. Without your correct password, nobody fit access your personal information, whether na on your phone or email or social media account. You fit think of password like lock where you put for your gate to make sure say only people wey get the key wey you trust fit enter. Why password important? Important because plenty people for internet they try to steal your information. If person fit guess your password, or if it too easy, or if it dey too easy for them, then go fit enter your account, take your money, or even pretend say na them be you. We don't see them plenty for other social media where they go say, oh, now maybe this person pay for orphanage. If your password strong, it go hard them where to guess them or enter your account, fit impersonate you. Wetin be strong password? No use something way easy like your name or 1234 or even password as a word by itself. No, those ones too simple. Thief fit guess them quick. To make your password strong, mix letters, both big, capital letter, small letter, add number, put special signs, all those ads, hashtag, dollar sign, naira sign, whatever. As they show you for screen so. Make I give you some important tips for good password. Number 1, no use common things where people fit guess, like your birthday, your phone number, your pikin name, all those things where we did. No do that one. Number 2, mix them up. Use capital, small letter, add number, symbol, everything where you feel use. Make it confuse them. Make their head they hot as they try them. Number 3, change your password regularly. No use the same password forever. Try them every few months. They try to change them. Number 4, no share your password with people except na person where you trust well. Treat them like your ATM card. You know, go want make everybody know wetin you dey carry. Abi? Okay. So I know say you fit dey think, how I go remember all these passwords? One way where you go fit help yourself now to use password manager. Or you don't make life easier. We don't make life easy for ourselves. Use password manager. Now special app where go store all your passwords for you, so you no need to cram anything or everything. Another way to use password way easy for you to remember now to make them strong, but something like where I show for you for screen. So if you like football, if you combine them. So, my people, password now your first line of defense, so they protect your information and make sure say nobody fit enter your account without your permission. Always make sure say your password strong gidigba, and no forget to change them once in a while. Keep your password safe, like they keep your ATM pin safe. Make we enter Bible small. Enter with the password thank you. Make yourself at home, taking praise, thank him, worship him. Psalm 100 verse 4. What did that one mean? That one means say anytime you want enter God's presence, we suppose start by telling him thank you for everything way he don't do. It be like password way they open door to God's house. So your thank you now your key to enter God's presence. Just like how you go need password to enter your phone or computer, now so you need to say thank you God to enter God's presence. Why? Because when you thank God, they show say you remember the good things where he don't do for you, and they prepare your heart to receive more blessings. One how they say when they use password like thank you, they honor God. They open the way for him to bless you more and more. Not be say God already know your needs, but when you start with Thanksgiving. You they say, Baba, you too much, oh, you are worthy of praise. You dey show appreciation and trust for everything where it go still do for you. So open door with Father, to you, Lord, be all the glory. So anytime you want prayer or worship, remember to first enter with that thank you password. As you dey do am, you go see say God go open more doors of blessing and favor for your life. I hope say this video don't help you understand how important password be and how to create strong password. If you get any question about password or other tech matters, drop them for comment section. Make we answer them together. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share this video with your friends. Stay safe online and remember, your password now your key. Keep them safe. God bless you. I will enter his gate with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter his courts with praise. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice for he has made me glad. Make sure you thank him.